You have to tell the topic. Okay, you have to tell me the topic. I'm going to write things here. Just few sentences. Wait a second. Then I have what are these? What are these? Okay, Avni. Okay, good. No, Punya. Yes, Mehak. So yes, the topic is determiners, right? We are going to start determiners. Jevan, you can say closely related, right? But here we are going to start determiners. Is it okay? So our topic is determiners. So can you explain this? What are determiners? See, we have already discussed this topic so many times. I still remember in 7th class also I have shown you the PPT, right? So this time it is your turn. Please tell me what are determiners. I'll ask the questions and you just keep on answering. What are determiners? How will you explain determiners? Yes, anyone? Be quick. What are determiners? No one? Just general definition. Okay, determiners are the words which provide information about the nouns. Okay. Okay. What kind of information, Avni? Yes, yes, Vani. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Determiner are the word that specify a noun or a phrase.
Okay, specify. They specify. Okay. Anyone else? Determiners tell the meaning, okay, of sentence and make sense. They are the words that determine the reference. Okay, so one, I'll say the words that come in the beginning of a noun. Okay, the words that comes at the beginning of a noun, you can say. Now, if they are coming at the beginning of the noun, it means it introduces the noun. Okay, got it? The determiners will introduce the noun. In what way introduce means they will give the introduction whether they are specific or they are general. Is it okay? They'll tell whether the noun which we are going to talk about is general or is specific. Okay, they will fix the meaning of the nouns. Okay, they will fix the meaning in the sense they will tell, okay, this noun is specific, particular noun. This noun is in general. Clear? I'll give examples also. So the words that come at the beginning. So if they are coming at the beginning, it means introduces. These introduces noun, right? They tell us whether the noun is specific or general in nature. If you remember, okay, this I'll ask later. And then they also tell us whether what is the work of the noun, whether it is just simply referring to something, or it is quantifying or qualifying something, right? There are numbers also, na? So determiners also tell us this, whether it is just referring or quantifying. Got it? So these are determiners. They also fix the meaning. They also fix the meaning. Clear? And determiners are placed before a noun. Got it? Determiners are placed before a noun. No, Prabal, not yet. It's a kind of break. Means from literature to this grammar. Okay, now if I write, let me write few examples and you have to identify the determiners. Okay, so first is and in case you can tell me the type also, that would be great. Is it okay? Then okay, that's it. That's it. 3. Please identify the determiners. Okay. You have started giving the answer. This demonstrative, his possessive, right? 5. Where is 5? 5. 5. No, yes, it is showing number. It is actually showing number, right? So these are determiners. It means it is clear, much clear to you. Yes, it is number. 5 shows number. Okay. So let's discuss the various types of determiners, and you are not supposed to write these in your fair notebooks. Got it? After the discussion, we'll just do the exercise given on page number 2, 3, and 4. That's it. Can you tell me the types, or you have already? First, you have given the demonstratives, right? Demonstrative, and next was, what was the next? No, Bani, no. I have just announced this. Possessive. Then third was number. Now please tell any other. Fourth, articles, right? Correct. Articles. Fifth, interrogative, right? Interrogative. Then distributive. Okay, distributive. And just a second. Distributive. Then quantifiers. Okay, quantifiers. Okay, that's it. 7. Oh, Bani, that is different. That is different. That is the placement. predeterminer, central, and post. This is the placement, how to place, how to arrange the determiners. If there are more than, you can say two, more than, definitely more than one. Okay, so that is the placement. First comes this, and then this, and then that. So demonstrative, possessives, number, articles, interrogative, distributive, quantifiers, right? So for that, let's start with this articles. Articles, I hope you know there are two types of articles. Can you tell two types of articles? Two types of articles. Be quick. This is very simple. Yes, definite and indefinite. Right. Two types of articles. It is definite, indefinite. Right. It is definite and indefinite article. So definite article is, which article is definite? Yes, correct. There is the definite and a and these are indefinite articles, right? Whenever we talk about definite article, this article specifies something. Means if we are talking about one noun, this will specify that noun. And and shows that the noun is general. Whatever we are talking about is in general in nature. Is it okay? Got it? And then is article, this definite article is used before the things, before the nouns that are one in nature. Okay, definite article is used before the nouns that are one in nature. Here indefinite article, as we are using the articles generally, so it means we can use this article with any noun. Okay, and mostly we avoid using articles with proper nouns. Got it? But sometimes we have to use. Okay, then is demonstratives. Please tell about demonstratives. Demonstrative article. Okay, this, that, these, those. Right. This, that, these, and those. These demonstrative determiners, basically what they do, they point towards something. Okay, point towards something. Got it? So this, that, these, those, this, and that, the for the noun, that is near, and these and those for the noun, that is far. Okay, clear? This, that, these, those. If I'm saying this, it means near. That, it means far. Be careful that whenever you have to use the determiners, determiners are after, immediately after the determiner, noun should be there. Is it okay? Yes, Medha. Okay, possessives, his, her, my, your, it, his, her, are, them, hers, yours. Okay, his, her, my, your, his, her. I'll write here my, your, his, her, and my, your, his, her. Anything else? That's it. My, your, his, her, are, their, and its. Now, these are possessive determiners, and yes, correct. Shows the possession, shows the ownership. Correct. Very good. Very good. These determiners show the possession, that this thing belongs. These basically possessive determiners show the, you can say, the owner of the noun. Okay, this bag. So this bag, sorry, this is the demonstrate example of my bag. Okay, my bag. Bag noun, my shows the possession. Whose bag? My. Got it? Then I think you can explain this also. Interrogative. Yes, interrogatives. Anyone? Yes, it is to ask questions, right? It is to ask questions, or you can say, basically, if we talk about, it is which, what, and whose, right? It's which, what, whose. Interrogative, and we use these to ask questions when we have to interrogate. Okay, so we use these. Got it? Clear? Then anyone who can explain number, distributive or quantifier, anything. Let's start with number. I think number is very simple. Let's start with number first. I'm going to erase this. Number. Five, six, seven, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It tells the number, right? Yes, it tells the number. Anything else that you want to write means it is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Nothing else. Wait, Medha, we'll go step by step, okay? Yes. First, second, third, fourth, right. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay? These are also included. Okay, cardinal and ordinal numbers, okay? Cardinal means, Tanushka, cardinal means, see in your book, they haven't explained much. It is about just 5, 6, 7, 8, and then first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Cardinals and ordinals. Cardinals show cardinal 1, 2, 3 cardinal, okay? And what about ordinal? Cardinal, yes. Cardinal shows number and ordinal shows sequence. Right, correct, Anmol, correct. Yes, it is correct. Then anything else? That's it. Then let's come to distributive. Distributive. Distributives. I think it is very much clear. Yes, each, every, Eknur, correct. Clear from the name only. It is each, every, either, neither. These are distributives, right? To show distribution. Okay, each, every. Each, every, neither, either. Then, yes, last. What about last? Interrogatives we have done. Quantifiers. Yes, quantifiers. Otherwise, we can also already attempt our first exercise also. But okay, let's finish it. Quantifiers tell us, yes, quantity. Right, shows the quantity, how many. Right, it tells us how many quantifiers. How many? Shows the quantity. Okay, some, few, less. Okay. Yes, Paramjit. Any other? Any, few, all, any. Right. Some, more, less, several. Okay, whole, much. So I think the topic is clear. We should not now go in depth. Let's start the exercises then. Okay. But for one thing, I want to tell you about many about this. Many. This is whenever you write many after this, we use singular noun. Keep this thing in your mind, because there is there is exercise and I'm not able to find the exact blank to fill this, because I'm not able to find any singular noun. But the usage of this many that means you have to use singular noun after many got it? So let's start. Page number 2. I waited for dash. Your answers must maybe they will vary, but it is okay. I waited for my friend. Okay. Dash new hat that Navya bought is quite odd. The new hat, that is okay. We had a great time when we visited Dash sister. We visited her sister, our sister. You can write anything. R is also correct because we had. हमें हमारा time बहुत अच्छा था. ठीक है. Can you buy me Dash cycle, Dad? A cycle. Okay. Do you remember Dash time we went to Goa? Do you remember the time? Okay. Do you remember that the time when we went to Goa? Please put Dash files in Dash big drawer. Okay, please put some files, okay, those files in the big drawer, or please put these files in a big drawer, anything. Leave dash assignments on desk, the professor said to the class. Okay, the and the. Leave the assignments on the desk. Okay, you can write leave the assignments on my desk. My is also correct because the professor said to the class. Is it okay? My desk is also correct. In dash time, there were no TVs or computers. In dash days, life was so much better. In our time, okay, in our time, there were no TVs or computers in those days, or in those days, or you can write in that time, there were no TVs or computers. In those days, life was so much better. Yes. Next is, who is dash new girl in dash class? Who is the new girl in our class? Yes. Who is the new girl in your class? Your is also correct. Who is this? Okay, this and our, that is also correct. When will you return dash English notebook, workbook? My, correct. Many of dash houses will be sold by the end of this month. Many of these houses, many of the houses, these houses. Take dash plastic bottle and dash glass jar. Fill dash bottle with ink and dash jar with water. Okay, the, right. Take a plastic bottle and a glass jar. Now, as we are going to talk about the same bottle and the same jar, that is why this time we will use article the. So, fill the bottle with ink and the jar with water. Dash neighbors sometimes let dash cattle into dash field. Okay, our neighbors sometimes let their cattle into our field. Correct. Are the are. Are there are. There. Mr. Reddy is dash great teacher. Everyone loves dash class. Mr. Reddy is a great teacher. Everyone loves his class. His class. Correct. Remove dash footwear before you enter. Remove dash footwear before you enter. Dash room. Said dash monk. It's monk. Remove your footwear before you enter this room. Okay. Said the. Correct. Your this the. This is also correct. Now is page number 4. Sentences. They have written sentences. Now you have to identify whether it is right or wrong. I'll give you one hint. That is, Sunil repaired the tap after wasting many water. But with water, you cannot use many. You cannot count water. Is it okay? So it is much water. Much is used with uncountable nouns and many with countable nouns. Sunil repaired the tap after wasting, cut many, and you can write much. How much paint do we need? Next sentence is correct. How much paint do we need? This sentence is correct. Yes, correct. Can we have little salt, please? Can we have the salt? Okay, can we have some salt, a little? Okay. So this way you have to do the exercise because time is almost over, and same way the next exercise also, but be quick and come to page number 8. Page number 8. Be quick. Here what you need to do is you have to arrange the determiners. Okay, arrange the determiners. I'll give you example. The first sentence is the all children participated in the annual day function. I hope you know you have to interchange. It is all the children. This way you have to correct all the sentences. Yes, during the function we need your cars. Again, we need your 2 cars. Yeah, right. So this is the placement, how we arrange the determiners. Okay, that's all.